Hello, super kids! Are you ready to enter the world of stories? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Today I have brought a story from our own Indian land, and that is about Akbar and Birbal. So let's meet Birbal, who in minutes used to solve Akbar's each and every problem. So one day what happened? Akbar had an argument with Birbal, and everyone knows Birbal was one of the favorite and loved gem among the 9 gems, the one of the loved gem of Akbar. So when they had argument, Akbar, that is Emperor Akbar, got really angry and asked Birbal, Birbal, you should leave my palace. I am very angry with you. Now Birbal was really sad, but he had to listen to what Emperor Akbar has ordered. So Birbal quietly went away from home into a village where no one knew that he was Birbal, all in disguise. Now, what happened? Whenever you love someone, you will start missing if you don't see them around. And this is what happened with Emperor Akbar. He started missing his favorite and dear Birbal. So he announced, just go and find Birbal whether he is at home. Everyone went all out there but didn't find Birbal anywhere. This made King, that is Akbar, really sad, and he realized what mistake has he done. So he asked and sent order across the kingdom that every village should send a pot of wheat to Akbar in 3 months of time. So do you think we can put wheat into a pot? Is it possible? No. So here was the trick. Because Akbar knew Birbal is the only intelligent and witty person who can solve this question. Or you can say mysterious challenge of putting wheat into a pot, into a small pot. And he even announced that if they are not able to fit this wheat into the pot within 3 months, they have to fill pots and pots with diamonds and precious jewels. This news was all over in the village, but the villagers were not so rich to give king pots and pots of jewelries. They were poor. And they started thinking, what should we do now? And there came the disguised Birbal. And when listening to this, he came with an idea. And he said, don't worry, my dear villagers, I will solve this problem. He said, I will provide you with a pot of wheat. So what did Birbal do? He took an empty pot and a small fruit, that is watermelon, that still didn't grow full, and he put the small watermelon into the empty pot and let it grow and be large watermelon inside the pot for 3 months. Now, when the watermelon grew big and ripe, he sent the pot to our dear Emperor Akbar, but with a note where he said that this watermelon was wet. Okay, and he said, you have to take out this watermelon. See how it has grown so full in the pot, that they have to take out this weight without cutting the watermelon or breaking this pot. Isn't it intelligent? How can you take this watermelon without cutting or breaking the pot? So Akbar started thinking what to do, how to how to bring this watermelon out of the pot. See, so he called people from all the places, all intelligent people, to think of a solution, but no one was able to think of. And then it clicked to Emperor Akbar. Oh, this idea is by my dear and beloved Birbal. Who can think so intelligent except my dear one of the 9 gems, Birbal? So he quickly called all the guards and sent him to this village from where the pot came, and called his beloved Birbal back, and they were happy again. So what do you learn from this? It has a small moral that friendship really matters, and when you have good friends and people around, don't get angry. Things happen, ups and downs keeps coming in life. Don't get angry and lose good people in your life. Speak to them. Try to solve those problems and be friends forever, because friendship is very precious and you meet good people once in a while, so don't lose them. So kids, this is Deepthi Victor from India. I'm an illustrator, author, educationist, researcher, storyteller, and founder of Colorful Story Mind. I'm happy to be associated with Super Kids India 2021, organized by Travel Buddy, bringing in ultimate pageant for kids aged 3 to 6 years. I'm eagerly waiting to meet kids and their amazing performances. You know, they are also waiting for you. And to join me for magical story sessions in the Super Kid 2021 that is coming soon. So quickly go and register yourself on the link provided. Meet you soon. Bye. Bye-bye.